In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data in Power BI. We'll walk through the essentials so you can connect to your files or databases and see your fields ready to use in a report. Start by opening Power BI Desktop and working in a new, blank report. At the top, you'll see the ribbon. Make sure you're on the Home tab. That's where the data tools live. The key button here is Get Data. This is your entry point to bring information into your report. Click Get Data. A window opens with a search bar and a list of connectors. Type to quickly find what you need, or browse the categories. You can connect to files like Excel and text CSV, or to databases and online services such as SQL Server, SharePoint, and more. If you're just starting out, Excel or CSV is a great place to practice, but the process is similar for most connectors. Select your source. If it's a file-based source, choose Connect. Then browse to the file on your computer or network drive and select it. Power BI will then show a navigator window where you can preview the contents. For Excel, you'll see sheets or defined tables. For CSV, you'll see the data grid. Check the boxes for the tables or sheets you want. Confirm the preview looks right and choose Load to bring them into your report. If you're connecting to a database, you'll be asked for connection details like the server and database names, and possibly your authentication method. Enter the required information provided by your organization, keep credentials secure, and select OK. You'll get the same navigator experience to pick the specific tables or views to load. Power BI now imports the selected data. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it finishes, your fields appear in the data pane on the right side of the interface. Expand the table names to see the individual columns. If the pane isn't visible, it might be collapsed. Look for a small arrow to expand it. From here, you're ready to drag fields onto the report canvas, create visuals, and start exploring your data. That's all you need to get data into Power BI. Open a new report, go to the Home tab, click Get Data, choose and connect to your source, and load it. Your data will show up in the pane on the right, ready for analysis. And there you go. Simple, fast, and reliable.